Hey everyone, Tony G. So in today's video we're going to be talking about a pec/bicep stretch. Now typically the pec stretch can be done in a doorway or any kind of archway. However, unfortunately I do not have that here. What I do have here is my trusty table, and I can actually use this to get both a pec and bicep stretch. Now this is going to be part of the upper extremity series, and where you want to work on releasing these upper body parts. Because of the way that posture is, we're always on our cell phones, on computers, typing. We always have this rounded posture. You actually want to open up your posture and be in a much better position. Okay? Now, it doesn't necessarily need to be a table. It could be a coffee table. It could be a couch. It could be a door frame if you feel so inclined. Okay? Now, in order to do this pec bicep stretch, you're going to have to hook your hand, both palm facing down, into a low position, and then you're going to rotate out. Now depending on what is tighter, be it your pec or your bicep, you're going to actually feel the stretch a little bit differently throughout. Okay, now typically when we are doing stretches, you want to make sure that you're holding them for about 30 seconds, and I'll give myself a 30-second count off here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, and relax. Okay, remember, after we do any form of stretching, you always want to take the muscle out of the range, go back to neutral, and then you can go into the next one. We will do these stretches typically for about 3 of them for a 30-second hold, and then switch sides, or you can alternate. Now, you unfortunately, you're going to get the backside view of this, but what we're going to do is we're going to hook and spin, and it's going to be the exact same thing. Now, just thinking about this, you want to make sure that while you're doing this stretch, you're keeping your head neutral. Sometimes we will want to twist or turn our head. Now, if we have neurogenic or neurotension, this is actually can irritate some of the nerves in the brachial plexus and through the arm. So you don't want to do that. So make sure you're keeping your head nice and straight, especially while you're stretching, okay? Don't mean to turn my back to you, but let's stretch to the left side because my right side's been stretched. So palm's going to be facing down, out away from me, and I'm just going to slightly twist till I feel a stretch. Keeping my head neutral, we're going to count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, and then come on out. Okay, again everyone, you could do these stretches, 3 of them for a 30-second hold. Okay, try those out. I hope they help. Please everyone, make sure to hit the like and subscribe or something. I'll see you next time. Video.